baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making a Christmas memory.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas day 6. We're already on to the other hand. I am actually starting the vlog pretty late because it is now 3:20. I have my gym at around 4:30. So I thought, why not show you guys what I like to do when I'm going to my gym. I have my sports bra on. I love these. These are the bras that we got from I want to say Thailand. Yeah, these are the bras that we got from Thailand. Very, very comfortable apps. Because I have been completely unsuccessful in getting really cute gym tops. I'm just wearing this happy t-shirt. I think this is from Zudio or H&M, something like that. I don't remember. And for the tracks, I'm gonna wear my Bliss Club K leggings. These are the ultimate leggings. I really like these. These are very comfortable to wear. And I feel like Bliss Club, you can wear it in the gym, you can wear it on day-to-day basis. These are good structured leggings, and I feel like that is one of the best things you can ever buy in like gym wear. Please ignore me while I keep moving because I'm trying to wear my clothes. Alrighty, my fit is done. I really like it. I like when my sports bra comes out like this because I like to match my pants with my sports bra. That's something that I like to do. Something very cute and something nobody knows or recognizes. Like, that is that. And then for perfume, I love to wear I've actually started mixing up a lot of my perfumes. If you guys have not checked my perfume collection, go check it out. I will leave it up in the cards. But I like to wear this perfume when I mix it with the other one. I like mixing two perfumes. The first one is definitely the last part of it. This is the Studio West Goddess. Now this does not last on a long time. So what I like to do is I like to mix this with the Body Shop's Sheer. This lasts on a long time. But I don't like the smell of this. So both of them together work well. But I'm going to wear that when I leave. But for now, what we're going to do is tackle the hair because my hair is not that great. So yeah, it's very greasy. So let's tackle this first. And I'm very scared to put this dry shampoo when I wear white clothes because this is a colored shampoo. So I kind of get scared. Like it. I don't do anything. I just leave it like this, and when I'm going to the gym, I like to brush it out. Then it gives a little bit of volume. Just gonna put it up. I think I am usually not somebody who gets ready this early because I'm filming. I wanted to get it done pretty much early so that you can see what I wear, what I like to carry, and all of that. But now that we're here, let's also do what I have in my gym bag because that's much easier for me. So let me quickly go get my gym bag and I'll show you guys what I have. I get very awkward when people are in front of me and I try not to look at their eyes. I don't like people judging. So anyways, this is the bag that I carry. Okay, let's see what I carry. Let's see what all I carry. The first one is a water bottle. Definitely this is an insulated one. I really like it. A pair of gloves because I love wearing gloves and I feel like my hands don't have so much strength. So even while doing yoga, one thing that I never go without is my gloves. These are also from Decathlon. These are like good quality ones. So I have a pair of that. Then I have a pair of gym shoes. Now these are the shoes that I usually carry. These are the Puma ones. Very good for like cardio, runnings and all of that. I have my yoga cushion. Now this is something I bought in the starting of my yoga classes because I wanted to know that if you know me before, I was not somebody who was physically active. So my knees were always in pain. So I thought this would be useful, but I've not used it a lot. But in the first few weeks, I've definitely used it and this gave me like good thing. All of this is from Decathlon, by the way. And that's it. I don't have anything else in the main compartment. But let's open the side compartment. That is where actually the juicy stuff is. I have like a basket of things that I have. Oh, I have a moisturizer. Now this is something that I carry just in case. Now that I've opened it, I will use it now. But this is the Vaseline's moisturizer. Then I have a resistant bands. All of these bands I bought it from Decathlon also. This is like a Pilates band and these are like resistance bands. I really like using them. So these are that. I have a face towel. This I have never used. I am somebody who never sweats. I don't know whether it's a good thing or a bad thing or a what thing, but I never sweat. But I just put this just in case if I sweat and I want something. This is there. So in this bag, I have like a pack of tissues. If there is any spasm and Omni gel, this is very, very important. I have a comb. I have never used all of these, by the way. Huh? I have a hair tie. Then I have 3 different kinds of lip balms. I have a natural lip balm. Then I have like the glossy lip balm and the clear lip balm. I don't know when I'm going to use these. Absolutely not necessary, but I have it. Oh, I have a Vicks dabba because you know, if you're sick and you're like, you know, doing the snifflings and all of that, I have another lipstick itself. But that's all. Those are the things that I have in my gym bag. It's very funny, you guys. I don't use any of these. I should actually start using, like, come on. The only problem with the spray thing is it kind of goes everywhere and it smells too much, that's all. Alrighty, that's it. That's literally what I have in my gym bag. Wow. And my because I'm much more regular to yoga than I'm to cardios, I have my yoga mat on the back side. Can you see that? Yeah. That's all. That's also from Decathlon. Everything is from Decathlon, you know. But that's it. Let's go to the gym. And I will see you guys maybe in between or after. I'll try getting some snippets. I'm still not sure. But yeah, let's go. It's 4:15. I have my class at 4:30. So let's go up. First session of my yoga is done. Now I'm on to the second session. Now the second session is basically evolved yoga, but you do it with this beautiful wheel. So let's go. I can't vlog anything here because there are a lot more people now. One of the few things that I realized about me is in the night I like to unwind, clean up the house, the counters and everything, and just have like an hour of my own me time. So I'm gonna take you guys along what I do in my night. So let's cue the time lapse of me cleaning. Enjoy a clean talk. Like you can see, I have a full face of makeup, and the reason I have a full face of makeup is because I want to film some videos with my beautiful Christmas tree as a background, because I don't usually get to use this Christmas tree a lot. So I thought, why not film like a couple of videos? It'll be very useful. So that is what I am clearly doing right here. I'm all alone and I'm doing this in the middle of the night. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.